Good morning, children. Hope my class 4 children are in their best health and spirit. Okay, then, we are now entering into the second lesson of the Marigold book of class 3. Okay, and the name of the lesson is Neha's Alarm Clock. Now, before I start the lesson, I would like to give you the meanings of certain difficult words in the lesson. And they are snuggles. Snuggles means to take a warm or comfortable position. Understand? To take a warm or comfortable position. When you go off to sleep, don't you do that? Yeah. Then mutters. Mutters means to speak in a low, quiet and often angry voice. Okay? When you are quite angry, you mutter. And that too in a low voice. So to speak in a low, quiet and often angry voice. Then the next word is windowsill. What is this windowsill? Windowsill, it means the narrow shelf at the bottom of a window. Usually every window has a windowsill. It is the narrow shelf at the bottom of a window. It can be either inside or outside. Okay. Then relax. Relax means to rest after work or effort. To rest after work or effort. Okay. So these are the difficult words in the lesson. And now we shall proceed. You can take page number 6. Children, I suppose all of you have got your book. Yeah, go to page number 6. Now, shall I start, children? Okay. Neha's alarm clock. Narrator. Narrator is a person who is narrating the story, who is telling the story. Okay. Narrator. Ring, ring, ring. Off goes the alarm clock at 6 in the morning. Neha makes a face and covering her ears with a pillow, snuggles under the warm blanket. But she knows she has to get up. She mutters to herself. So you see, this is a story about a little girl like you. And her name is Neha. Neha does not like to get up early in the morning. What she does? She snuggles under the warm blanket. She likes to sleep a little longer. Okay? So she snuggles under the warm blanket. She sleeps cozily, warmly under the warm blanket. But she knows she has to get up because everyone has to get up in the morning. So Neha also knows about it. She mutters to herself. She is irritated. She mutters means she is not very much happy about getting early. So she mutters to herself. പെറുപെറുക്കുക മനസ്സിലായോ? അതാണ് mutters. Quite angry. She tells in a low or quiet voice. She tells to herself in a low voice, but quite angry about it. About what? About getting up early. Now, children, what rings? Yes, an alarm clock rings. Right. Neha, this alarm clock always rings at 6 and pulls me out of the bed. It is so unfair. Oh, how I would love to sleep a little longer in the morning. I wish this clock would forget its job sometimes. Neha is not at all happy about getting early, I told you. So she says, this alarm clock is sometimes very unfair. It always rings at 6 and pulls me out of the bed. But I love to sleep a little longer in the morning. And I really wish this clock would forget its job sometimes. What is the job of a clock, children? What is the job? To give an alarm. So Neha wishes that the alarm clock forgets its job sometimes. Okay? Narrator. Something falls. Neha smiles. Neha. Oh, my clock has fallen. How happy I am. Tomorrow I can get up late. Narrator. Next morning, there is no alarm. So Neha sleeps and sleeps. The small chirpy birds which come to the windowsill every morning find Neha still sleeping. Birds, wake up, dear. Wake up fast. Narrator. Neha gets up with a start. So you see, if not for the alarm clock, it is for the birds to wake Neha up. What are the birds doing? The small chirpy birds, they come to the windowsill every morning. Every morning they come to the windowsill, and every morning they find Neha still sleeping. Okay, so and then they call out. They say, Neha, wake up, wake up. Wake up fast. So here the narrator says, Neha gets up with a start. Neha, oh no, if it's not the alarm clock, it's these birds. Why don't they leave me alone? So Neha is getting very much irritated. Neha is telling either the alarm clock or the chirpy birds. Someone has to disturb me always. Why don't they allow me to sleep a little longer in the morning? Narrator. Even this wish of Neha's comes true. The next morning, there is not only no alarm clock, there are no birds either. So the next morning what happens? Neha's that wish is also solved. What was that wish? If only she could sleep a little longer without the disturbance of the chirpy birds. If the chirpy birds do not come and wake her up, it would be so nice, she thought. So that wish also came true. Okay? But there is someone else who does not want her to miss the school bus. Can you guess who it is? But there was a third person who does not want Neha to miss her school bus. If school-going children, if they sleep a little longer, what will happen, children? They will miss their school bus. Yes. So, there is something which does not want Neha to miss the school bus. Can you guess who it is? You are right. It is the big bright sun. It does not want Neha to miss the school bus. So what it does? He fills Neha's room with a warm smile. Okay? Shall we stop here, children? The rest in the next class. Till then, read very, very thoroughly until you understand. And if there is any doubt, please feel free to call me. Bye-bye.